Hey everyone, today we're going to take a tour across Lake Atitlán from Panajachel to Santiago, Guatemala, so check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Explorer, and we are in Panajachel, Guatemala. We're going to head a couple blocks down to Lake Atitlán, and we're going to take a boat ride across all the way to Santiago. Sarita, if you're here in Panajachel, make sure you stop in there for some very good priced ice cream cones. They taste great on a hot day. The lake is a couple blocks down that way, so let's head on down there. As you're walking down to the lake, you're going to see a lot of people trying to sell you tickets for the boat ride. We pre-booked ours. There was 9 of us. It's about $5 a person round trip. It's about an hour each way. But we're looking for our boat here, and I believe it's that big one over there, the red, white, and blue one. So we'll head on down there. This dock looks a little on the sketchy side, but it'll do, just be careful. And we are sailing on the Victoria of Panajachel. So let's board and head on upstairs and find a seat. And we are off. There are quite a few seats up here, but they're mostly plastic patio chairs, kind of tied to the railing, but they will do. The buildings are really cool here at Lake Atitlán. They're built up on pillars to keep them away from the water, and then you've got the docks built out on the shore. So long, Panajachel. We'll see you in a couple hours. Now that boat there is definitely not going to take an hour to cross. Here's our captain. He looks all comfortable in his captain's chair that looks like it was removed from a car. He's all ready to go. And the bow of the boat as we're crossing. I think I have to do it. Everybody has to do it. Here we go. I'm the king of the world! And that is my best Leonardo DiCaprio imitation. It's a pretty cool boat though. 2 stories. We'll head on inside there. You can see what it looks like. And this guy's trying to pass us. He's going to get there way quicker than us. This area is full of volcanoes. There's lots of them around here, but you can't really see them today because it's kind of hazy. Last time I was here 2 years ago, you could see them really well. I'll put the pictures up here so you can have a look at those. And we'll head through the boat here and take a peek out the back. And you can see Panajachel will be way off in the distance. And we are getting closer to Santiago. We're starting to see houses on the left-hand side there. And there's more boats and fishermen. These guys look like they're having a great time. Everybody's so friendly out here. And that's actually the base of a volcano over there. And there's Santiago off in the distance. We'll be there shortly. Pulling into dock. And we have arrived in Santiago. So we'll go for a little walk through Santiago so you can see what it looks like. The dock here is in a little bit better shape than the other side, so that's a lot safer. And you pretty much end up in the middle of these markets right away where you can get all your souvenirs, bags, tablecloths, hats, all sorts of stuff. Really good prices here. Keep in mind if you do have to use the restroom, they pretty much charge everywhere around here, so there is a few places you can go. Also, there's some great coffee shops here that I love to stop in. It's not that busy. You can see a few tourists here. It is quite early in the morning. I think we're here about 9 o'clock. If you don't want to walk up the hill, you can take one of these tuk-tuks. Those are really fun. It's only a couple of dollars. Really cool buildings here to look at. But if you are feeling really brave and you don't want to go up the hill, you might be able to hop into one of these pickup trucks and get a ride up. I can't believe how many people they can fit in one truck. We saw quite a few police officers here as well at a lot of the intersections, waving traffic through. And here's a local corner store. You'll see these all over Guatemala. You can pick up a soda there if you're thirsty. But we are actually in a market, and I believe this market is a locals market. It got really busy the further we walked in, but it was really neat to see the local culture and be immersed in it. Vendor after vendor. It was crazy. All the bananas and mangoes. The mangoes in Guatemala are so tasty. All sorts of seafood. More fruit, cantaloupes, more mangoes. It's so good. Oh, and here comes another truck full of people. That's so crazy. And we are back off to Panajachel. So long, Santiago. We had a great couple of hours. I hope that you enjoyed this video crossing over Lake Atitlán and immersing yourself in the culture of Santiago, Guatemala. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Explorer because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thanks for watching and take care.